Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Irfan.
Irfan. Nice to meet you. My name is Orla.
Oh, hola, nice to meet you too.
And where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, okay. Very nice. I'm from Ireland.
Oh, Ireland, nice. So
Yeah.
where is Ireland?
Do you know the UK?
Yeah.
So UK is here, Ireland is here. The island, right?
Okay.
It's a small country.
Oh, so you are living in Ireland, right? Ireland.
No, I'm from Ireland, but I live in Spain right now.
Okay, Spain. So do you know Spanish?
Yes.
Hola.
Do you speak Spanish?
No, I know only one word, hola.
Oh, yes, hello.
Oh, yeah. So what are you doing there?
So I'm working here at the moment. So I teach English. I teach in a
Oh, okay. So you are teacher.
Yes.
So what did you do to become teacher?
You're frozen. Repeat?
What?
Now, do you repeat what you said? The audio stopped and we didn't hear you.
Okay. I'll repeat it. I said what degree you got after that you became a teacher?
I went to university.
Oh, only university.
Mhm.
Okay. So you got any offer or something like that? You went there by yourself?
I went here by myself. So I went here first and then I found a job after I got.
Oh. So
Yeah, because I wanted to be in this specific location. So I went to this location and then I searched when I got here.
oh, that's really nice. So your video is stucking a little bit. I think your network is weak, maybe.
Oh, if you want, you can reconnect the call. Maybe sometimes this fixes a problem.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Now it's
It's
good.
okay.
Yes, yeah. So okay, let me ask you some other questions. Let's talk about shopping and all. I have done shopping today.
I have gone shopping. Okay.
Yeah.
What shopping did you do?
I bought some clothes.
Clothes shopping. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. So okay, I want to ask you something like if you are buying some dresses, okay, formal dresses, you are buying any,
Formal.
yeah, formal,
Okay.
any t-shirt. So how much you have to pay there? Because here, like, it's nearly $7 in India. So
For
how much you,
formal.
yeah, how much you pay for a formal pant or a shirt?
For a man, I have no idea. For something formal, generally it's more expensive. Definitely a lot more than $7. Maybe like 30 or 40, maybe even more.
Oh my
Maybe
God.
50, 60.
Yeah, I have
And this
seen
is
in.
euro, not dollar. So
Oh, okay.
dollar is less than euro. No, dollar is
Yeah.
more than euro. Yeah.
No, dollar is less than euro. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh my God. So it's so expensive there, right?
For me, it's actually cheaper than in my country.
Yeah.
So Ireland is more expensive than Spain. So for me, I'm actually saving money being here because food is cheaper for me here, rent is cheaper, the general cost of living here is cheap, like compared to Ireland.
Oh,
But if I compare to a European country, I don't know, maybe like Portugal, here has been more expensive.
so have you been in Portugal?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
So how is Portugal? Tell me about this country because maybe we are moving there by next
You're
year.
moving there.
Yeah,
Really?
my brother is going next month. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's exciting. He's going to study there or work?
Yeah, actually he is working in an international based company. So
Mhm.
yeah, that is from Italy. That company is in Italy, but right now they settled in Portugal.
Mhm.
Mhm. So now he is moving there. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Where is he
So
moving to? What part of Portugal?
yeah, maybe next year, maybe I'll see him there.
Ah, what city he to?
What?
City.
I don't know, but maybe he will come to know only after after he will get
Oh, after
uh,
he arrives. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Mm.
hmm So I visited Portugal maybe 3 years ago, but I visited only one city. I visited Lisbon.
Oh yeah, he's also going there. Huh?
Lisbon is the capital of
Yeah. So where are you going?
Lisbon?
is the capital of
Lisbon is capital of Portugal, right?
I'm not sure. Lisbon or Porto? Let's see. Capital Portugal.
Yeah, he is also
Yeah.
going there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Yeah, Lisbon is very nice. I really liked it. And I found it very cheap
So
comparing to Spain, comparing to European countries.
what did you like there? What is more exciting?
I thought it was just very beautiful. Like on the streets, it was very different because the streets they have tiles. Do you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the tiles on every building are different patterns. And I thought it was very interesting. It was very beautiful. But it's also a city that's very it's very contrasting. And it
And
surprised me because if you search Lisbon online, you see beautiful pictures, only
yeah,
beautiful pictures.
it's so clean, right?
That's what you see online. But in person, it actually surprised me. It wasn't like this. I was a bit shocked because you're on like every touristy street, like very, very beautiful. And then the corner and it's like covered in graffiti and rubbish everywhere. And then you turn again and then it's like beautiful again. So it's very like contrasting. Like it's very different.
So okay, okay. Oh my God! And do you watch football?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Actually,
Do you like football?
I watch sometime when like Messi, Ronaldo, and Neymar they are playing in any team. I will watch them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you like Brazilian footballers?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been watching Olympics?
What did you say?
Did you watch the Olympics?
Yeah, I only watch some highlights. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. So you are only teacher, right? Are doing something
Yeah.
else also?
No, just teaching. Online and in person. Just
Oh,
teaching.
okay. So so who is with you? With your family? You are staying alone?
No, my family in Ireland. I live with here.
Oh, friends. So you all like went there to earn money, right?
No. These friends, they are from Spain, so they're Spanish.
What?
My friends, they're not from my country. They are from Spain. So
Okay.
their families live like in another city here.
Okay. Oh. So what is the difference between like Spanish people and your island people,
Irish people.
Irish people?
I think in general, people in Spain are the most stereotypical one is loud, but it's kind of true. Loud and more chatty and kind of more friendly. Because in Ireland, for example, come to university in Ireland to make a friend, maybe it will take a little bit of time. Maybe people will be like, hi, and maybe stop. But if you go to Spain, they'll be, hi, how are you? What's your name? And they will be more chatty. Like they will try to talk to you a little bit more.
Oh,
Whereas in Ireland, I think it's a little bit slower to make a friend
okay,
or
okay. They are
to
friendly, right?
people. Yeah, I think so. Or more social, I think.
Okay. I guess you might have your country might have cricket team also, right? Ireland.
Cricket, I think so. Yeah,
Yeah, they are so weak. That's why I know.
they're weak.
Yeah, your team is so weak, and India is at top right now.
Oh, yeah, probably because cricket isn't popular in Ireland at all. Like, I don't know anybody who plays cricket. So, yeah.
Yeah, I think our time is going to up now.
Oh, yeah, it's going to run out. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Okay.